Stay till the end to see how a sneeze sparked suspicion and tears. In a cozy beach cottage along Rehoboth Bay, James Walker sneezed loudly while chopping apples for breakfast. His girlfriend, Leah Adams, smiled and said, "Bless you, may you live 100 years." But just a heartbeat later, her face clouded. She stared at him. James paused. "What?" Leah's voice dropped. "Who were you thinking about when you sneezed?" He blinked. The cinnamon maybe?" Tears welled in her eyes. "Not the spice, the someone." She turned away, wiping her face. "You sneeze for someone who thinks of you, right? So, who was she?" James stood frozen, apple in one hand, knife in the other cut deep. Not in fruit, but in trust. Even in love, superstition can sneeze its way into the heart. Poetic touch. He sneezed once, her mind spun 1,000 tales.